Hey folks, today I have the Sowo portable wireless Bluetooth speaker on hand. So let's dive in, see what it's all about. Okay, first things first, this speaker is IP67 waterproof, so that means that you can safely submerge it underwater, and it is also going to be protected from dust and sand. So these sorts of speakers, they need to be ideal for outdoor use, and this one is. And hey, multiple colours are available to choose from to match your style. Next up, the sound quality. This speaker does pack 25 watts of stereo sound, which is clear, but if you're a bit of a bass lover, heads up, it's probably not going to impress you too much because the bass isn't super deep. However, the trebs and the mids are both satisfactory, and especially when listening to podcasts, I do find that voices are very clear. Next up, connectivity, and good news here, it is using Bluetooth 5.0, so connecting with your devices is very smooth, and the range is pretty decent too. I am also happy with the battery life. It is rated for up to 16 hours on a full charge. I believe that's at 50% volume, but you can still get between 10 to 12 hours depending on how you use this, which is more than I need and definitely a full day's worth. As for volume, just a quick point on this, it's going to be fine, this speaker, for small gatherings, but if you are wanting to use it for bigger parties, then you might find it a bit shy, and ideally you are going to want to look elsewhere. So quick summary for the pros and cons. For the pros, IP67 waterproof, super durable, clear sound, stable Bluetooth, good battery life, and it does look good, I have to say, in terms of the overall design. And in terms of cons, as I said, I think the bass could have been deeper, and the speaker isn't the loudest for big events. The Sowo is a solid option in my opinion, especially for its price, and great for casual listening, but deep bass and high volume, you might want to look elsewhere. Thanks for watching the video, I hope it helped.